The Academy Awards, also known as the Oscars, are the most prestigious honors in the film industry, recognizing excellence in filmmaking. First held in 1929, the Oscars are presented annually by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, AMPAS, celebrating achievements in acting, directing, writing, cinematography, and many other categories. The famous golden statuette, depicting a knight holding a sword while standing on a film reel, has become a symbol of cinematic excellence. Over the years, the Academy Awards have evolved, introducing new categories and embracing diversity in filmmaking. The event is known for its glamorous red carpet, emotional acceptance speeches, and unforgettable moments that shape Hollywood history. Winning an Oscar is considered the highest honor in the industry, often catapulting actors, directors, and films to international fame.